Hello everyone and welcome to the Free Range Diva. My name is Cheryl and today is a very special day because today I woke up, I looked at my channel stats, and we have hit over 10,000 subscribers. We hit 10,000, we hit 10,000. I didn't think we'd get there, but I did it with your help. You got me there. I want to thank all of you so very, very, very much for subscribing and supporting this channel. I literally could not, we could not have done this. We did it together. I mean, I basically just listened to what you said and did what you told me to do. And as a result, it's a milestone, and I cannot wait for the future. I'm so glad you're out there. I'm really gonna get a little emotional here, but I want you to understand how much I appreciate and am so grateful to you. When I started this channel, I didn't know what it would, that it would come to mean so much to me, but it has, and it's because of you, because you mean that much to me. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And as I promised in a video that I did earlier this summer, that when we hit this milestone, there would be a giveaway. And there's going to be a giveaway. So stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, I thought, let's do something fun on this on such a special day. So I have a DIY watermelon face mask. That I tried it a few weeks back, and I want to show you how that came out. Now, I was in Sprouts a couple of days ago, and they had just gotten a truckload of watermelon in, and they're on sale. So clearly watermelon season is still going strong. I hope it's going strong where you are, because this mask uses fresh watermelon. Now, we all know the benefits of watermelon as far as, nutritional when we eat it. It's got vitamin A, vitamin C, it's got water, electrolytes, trace minerals. So it's a very nourishing and hydrating food. But as far as skincare, if you've been looking around, you'll notice that a lot of watermelon is seriously having a moment in skincare. I think it started with Glow Recipe. They have a complete watermelon line. But other companies like Origins, Korres, Sephora Collection, they all have watermelon products. So I wanted to find out what was the deal with watermelon. So I did a little research to find out why watermelon is important for the skin, and here's what I found out. First of all, it's anti-inflammatory, so it calms redness and sunburns and other irritation. It speeds up cell turnover. It also helps with the production of collagen. It has vitamin C, A, and E, and it boosts hydration. It brightens. It offers antioxidant protection from environmental stressors. It also has malic acid, which is a gentle exfoliator. It's got fatty acids. It's got minerals. It's crazy. So I put together a mask, and what I did, I got a little watermelon. I put it in a blender and pureed it, and then I used the pulp along with Greek yogurt, because yogurt gives you that nice, it's high in protein, and it's also very humectant. It's got a lot of moisture. It gives you a lot of moisture, adds moisture into the skin, and it also helps exfoliate the skin. So I put watermelon, yogurt, and some hibiscus tea, again, antioxidants, and a sprig of, or a little squirt of hyaluronic acid. I mixed all that together, and when I first did it, I realized that the next time that I do this, I will leave out the water from the watermelon and just use the pulp, because it came out, the first time it came out to be a little bit runny and a little bit messy. So I added some more yogurt in there to thicken it up a little bit. And you kind of have to play around with it to get it to a nice consistency that's, you know, thick enough to apply. So, but then after I added in a little extra yogurt, it was thicker and it applied a lot easier. So I'm going to now show you. So I'm going to cut, I have footage as you've been seeing. And so I will just kind of, you know, show you what it looked like when it was on, which was kind of wet and kind of a mess, but then it dried down. It dried, so it did have a little bit of drying properties to the skin, and when it dried, it you know, it became hard. So I'm going to cut now and show you exactly what happened after it dried down, and then I'll be back. So I'm going to leave this on for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Let it dry down a little bit. You can adjust the thickness by using more or less yogurt, but this smells really good and it feels really good too. It feels very hydrating. All right, it's been about 20 minutes and I wanted you to see how this dries down. So it's tightened. It feels tightening. I don't feel any irritation at all. I'm just going to now wet a rag and take this off. As you can see, it comes off really easily. And I believe I see some brightening going on. I want to get a good look at my pores. Ooh, lovely. Good looking pores. And my skin feels wonderful. So I used, by the way, the hyaluronic acid gel from Davita, but places like Skin Diva and The Ordinary have you know, hyaluronic acid gels that you can add, and that's just to give it even more you know, get more hydration into the skin. I'm going to follow this up with my hydrating anti-Asian infusion spray from Skin Diva. Ugh, okay. This has got one of those sprays that really just pump out. So unless you want it to go everywhere, you're probably best using this. You have to kind of put it in your hand and then just pat it in. And that's what I'm going to do. And then the last thing that I'm going to put on, oh gosh, I wish you guys, you have to try this, because right now my skin, especially if your skin is any kind of dry or parched, my skin just feels, it doesn't feel oily, it doesn't feel, you know, tingly or weird. It feels really plump and juicy, if there is such a thing. So to help lock that in, the last thing I'm putting on is this Morning Moisture Elixir. This is from Leilani. I have to thank my buddy Wendy for gifting me a few things that she wanted to pass on, and this was one of them. And I love this. The fragrance of this serum can be, you know, a lot if you're not used to fragrances. To me, it smells amazing, but it does, the ingredient list says that it has jasmine as one of the, you know, floral ingredients in it. To me, it smells like Hawaii, like the flowers of Hawaii, you know, like the pikaki and the plumeria. But I don't think either of those two floral essences are in there. But already it's dissipating. It's really, if you want that sense that'll take you back to your Hawaiian vacation, this does that exactly. Okay, so I'm feeling very relaxed and refreshed. My skin soft, clear, and you can now see the results of the watermelon facial. So as you can see, I mean, I was so pleased with the way that my skin felt and looked after using this, that I will definitely do it again. Yeah, if you want to give it a try, be my guest. I'm kidding. So now that you've seen my DIY face mask, it's time to talk about this little giveaway. So the giveaway is going to be 2 gift cards, $50 each, to 2 winners. So 2 people will win one $50 gift card to spend wherever you want to spend it. And in order to enter, I'm going to put a link to a video in the description box below, and you'll want to click on that link, watch the video, and follow the instructions. Once you've done that, then you're entered. And I'm going to leave this open until, I guess, Friday. And then Saturday morning, say Friday night, and Saturday morning I will then reveal the winners, because I don't want, you guys to have to wait too long, especially those of you that have already entered. You've been waiting for like a couple of months. So yeah, so that's going to wrap it up for today. I hope this was fun. I hope this was interesting. I hope you got a kick out of seeing me putting pink watermelon pulp on my face. And if you did enjoy this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please do. And then you can get over and enter the giveaway. And yeah, so until I see you again in my next video, I'm wishing you a wonderful day, a wonderful week. Take good care of yourselves, and I will talk to you again very, very soon. Bye!